guys, welcome back to another episode of my documentary here on YouTube. And so today I'll be showing you guys the trades I took this week, last week, which was from on the 25th. So I took some trades on gold and also on Bitcoin. So I'm going to show you how the trades turned out and everything. So first of all, let's go on to this Bitcoin, how I took this trade. So on the 1 hour time frame, guys, we can see that we had this bearish trend right here, as at this level here. We had this bearish trend here. So after we go to this demand here, as you can see this demand, this is not an extreme zone. This demand was sitting as a trap and inducement to this other block here. So what I knew was there's liquidity sitting at this level here, and what I needed to do was wait for a retest into this zone and a pushback up. What we had was we had this pushback up after price took out liquidity. You can see this wick here, this is a liquidity sweep. Price took it out, then we had a pushback up. I then scaled to the 15-minute time frame. Hold on, guys. So as you can see, hold on, guys. So as you can see, for this point here, there was an equal high here, which I marked as my liquidity pool, where price is going to react on before we have the direction where we are going. So after price got to this point here, after this sweep here, we had a zone here, guys. Look at. So I'm going to show you guys how I took this trade. And so you can see here we had a break of structure here, which told us, okay, price is going down after this push up. Then price came here, took out this liquidity equal high. This acts as liquidity, as we all know. After taking out this liquidity, I had to enter because we already have the sweep, and I was to enter into the trade because there was no retest. This was the retest which took out the sweep. Then after going to the trade, price played out pretty nice. It was a 1 to 3 trade, 1 to 3 hour trade. Hold on, guys. It was a 1 to 3 hour, 1 to 4 rather. As you can see, a 1 to 4 trade. And also on gold, I took some trades as well, 3 trades actually. So this is my first trade. I'm going to walk you guys through it, and so you can see something, and I'm going to explain some things of what I've noticed. So my mistake at this point was I was marking, hold on, guys. I was marking out this level. I was marking out this level in price. Then after we had a break, after we had a retest, this equal high was a point where I was looking to sell from because of this zone here, because we have an equal high which can take the price down. Then my mistake on this trade was price created a change of character, closed above this equal high. Then my anticipation was, okay, price is going to retest and just keep coming down. But price gave us this change of character. It was not supposed to form a change of character, but it formed. Then we had a push down, which made me place my sell limit at the other block here. The mistake I made was there was no break of structure after this retest here, which confirms, okay, yes, price is coming down to my direction where I wanted to go. That was the mistake. I had to look for a 5 minute break of structure to the downside. As you can see, guys, this was the trade. I had to wait for the 5 minute time frame We had a break of structure here, a change of character rather, which gave me a chance to, okay, yes, I can buy this market, I can sell this market here. But that was also a mistake. I was meant to use my 15-minute time frame, not the 5-minute time frame. Although I do use 5 minutes as some confluences whenever I'm trying to get where the market is going at times where liquidity is sitting, when price is approaching a level. So that's it here, which I lost the trade. And I also had FOMO about this because I didn't want to miss this trade here. It was an extreme zone I was looking, but I was also looking at a zone just above me here, which was where price went to at the end. So you can see I marked this as an inducement because we had a zone here, and on the lower time frame we had an imbalance at this level. What I was supposed to do, the same mistake I made at this first trade here was the same mistake I made here. I did not wait for a break of structure to the downside before taking the trade. After price reacted to this order block, it took out liquidity. Yes, fine, but I did not get a break of structure on the 15-minute time frame before I entered into the trade, and this thing has been costing my account. So I'm glad I've been noticing all these things, and it's going to help my trading over time because these are things that I'm going to work on much. Then now let me walk you guys through how I took the last trade on the 1 hour from here. As you can see, after price broke this zone, we had a break of structure to the upside, which tells us, okay, yes, price is coming to this target here because we had an equal eye on the 4 hour time frame at this level. So after that, we had a break of structure. All I had to do was go to the 15-minute time frame. We've gotten our liquidity sweep, we've gotten a direction where price was going next, and all I had to do was just place my order at this extreme zone here. You can see this is the extreme zone at this level here. Then I waited, then price came here, we had a retest here, and price played that pretty nice and went to my direction. Let me show you guys what made me took this trade as well on at this same exact order block here. As you can see here, price has been making higher highs and higher lows here, which was expected. And this was the extreme zone here, this level here. Of course, price has retested all this zone here, which was not a good place to buy again. Then I had to place my order at this level here, and you can see price played out pretty nice. So I'm still waiting. This is Sunday, so I'm still waiting for the market to be open. So I will be knowing my next direction in the market because price is in an indecision point right now. I don't want to buy the market. I don't want to sell without a confirmation because, as you can see, we have targets at both edges in the market, the buy side and the sell side, where price could potentially go to. So that is what I'm waiting for, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I will be documenting my next video this week. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you find this video helpful, you can do to just subscribe, and yeah, just subscribe to my channel and like my video. I also passed one of my accounts with this trade. I passed my account with this BTC trade I took, but I got rejected because of the account was breached during a trade, but it was a floating profit and loss. So that was where the account got breached. But this is a sign that tells me, okay, yeah, I'm getting somewhere. So I appreciate that. So I'm going to show you guys the account. I passed the account. I made the 10% actually. So I'm going to show you guys the trade here. This is the post here. This is the trade here. So thank you guys for watching.